want to go to science class first. And that's my favorite class because Casey's in there too. But let's take a little tour. Okay, so right through here is the principal's office, and then the janitor's over here, but we're never allowed in there. The auditorium's over here, and right here is science, and there's Casey inside. What's up, Case? Let's get in. Hi!
Hi! Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Do you know what today is, Ellie?
Ooh, tell me.
It's BFF Day! Can you believe it? This is my favorite day of the whole school year.
Oh, same. I love BFF Day.
Oh, hey, I was thinking, since you know we basically spend all our time together anyway, do you want to be my best friend for the day?
You know what? That kind of sounds like a good idea. Sure, I'll be your BFF for the day. I mean, you're my BFF every day.
To make it official, I made us a sign. Now everybody can know that we're best friends forever.
That's an awesome sign, Casey. Oh, I can't wait to show everyone. You think Jimmy might be a little jealous?
Nah, he'll be fine. Don't worry about him. Think of all the fun activities we're gonna do today. Just me and you.
Oh my gosh, we could do art, we could read books, we could play video games. Oh, there's so many things we could do.
All right, Jimmy, you ready for BFF Day?
Oh, you know it. It's my most in-demand day at school. Everybody wants to be my BFF.
Well, you know, I could be your BFF too.
Sorry, Coach Roco, but like I said, I'm gonna have a lot of requests today, and I've already decided that Ellie's gonna be my BFF. Won't she be surprised? She'll be so excited.
Oh, I guess that's a good idea too. Here we are.
I'm gonna go give Ellie the good news now. Oh, Ellie! Ellie! I've got good news for you. You're gonna be so excited. Hey, where is she? Hey, what's going on here?
Oh, didn't see you there, Jim Maroney. Guess what? Today's BFF Day, and Ellie agreed to be my BFF. I'm so lucky. Guess I beat you to it. Whoops.
Oh, well, for your information, I have like 6 or 7 BFFs, so I don't even need you to. Have fun on your own.
All right, see you later, Jimmy. Yeah, BFF Day.
Oh, this is so unfair.
Hello, Jimmy. So what can I do to convince you to be my BFF, huh?
Well, I really figured that it was gonna be Ellie this year, but she's already with Casey, so let's see what you got.
But I'm so cool. I ride the bus, I teach class, and I can even do this dance. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Yay!
Yeah, very
cool. Well, wait till you see the next one, all right? Let me do... There we go. All right. Yay! Hey! Hey!
Those moves are kinda lit.
They are lit.
Oh, all right. You can be my BFF number 2. Until further notice, you're my BFF, but only till I convince Ellie.
You know, I'm feeling kind of hungry, Casey. Let's go get some pizza at the cafeteria.
Oh, pizza sounds like a great idea, Ellie. I'm starving. That's like my favorite day of the year is pizza day. Oh, today's the best day ever.
I know. What I love most on BFF Day is sharing a slice with my BFF. I'm gonna get some pepperoni.
All right, sit right next to me. Oh, this is awesome. It's so yummy.
Nom, 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 nom. I love pizza.
Me too. That's definitely the best food in the world. Oh, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna use the bathroom.
Ellie! Oh,
hey, Jimmy.
there you are. Finally, I can talk to you one-on-one. Ooh, pizza.
Oh, but that's Casey's. Oh.
Well, I'm sure she won't mind. Ellie, now that I have time to talk with you, I really think you should be my BFF instead of Casey's. For one thing, I can eat so much more pizza. For another thing, I'm the best at spinaroonies. And for a third thing, I can even sing you songs.
Well, Casey did ask me first, but
Come
I'll
on.
hang out with you for a little bit. Okay.
If I can't convince you that way, let me convince you in song.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go play the piano.
Okay, yeah, you hop on that piano, and I'll jump on guitar. All right, let's see. Give me a beat.
Okay.
BFF, you are my BFF, BFF, you are my BFF, Ellie, you are my BFF, I'm Jimmy, I'm so cool, Jimmy is the coolest in the school, Jimmy is the coolest in the school, and Ellie is his new BFF. Ba-da-ba-ba, totally awesome.
Good job, Jimmy. That was a great song.
Yeah, I thought so.
Oh, hey, Casey.
Hey, what exactly is going on over here?
Not much, just singing a song, you know, with my new BFF, Ellie.
What are you talking about? Ellie is my BFF. Jimmy.
Oh.
Not anymore.
Jimmy, report to the office. Jimmy, report to the office.
What? Oh, but I just got my new BFF. Ugh.
Better luck next time, Jim Marooney.
All right. Let's get this over with.
Uh-oh, Jimmy. Sounds like you're in
Phew.
trouble.
That was a close one. Looks like you and I are still BFFs, Ellie.
Woohoo!
And check this out. I still got the sign to prove it. Take that, Jimbo.
BFF.
All right, I'm here. What's this all about? Coach Roco, this better be good.
Jimmy, it's me. I'm your BFF. Now, what is this I hear about you trying to be BFFs with Ellie? I thought we agreed that I was your BFF.
Coach, I told you that Ellie's my number 1, but you could be my number 2.
Oh, I don't know if I want to be a number 2, but what about my dancing? Huh?
Your dancing was pretty cool, but Coach Roco, you're gonna have to do a little better than that if you expect to be my BFF.
Oh, come on. There's so many things I can do. I can vacuum. Look at that. Vacuum the rug. There's no bugs. Oh, look at this. A lawnmower.
Oh, boy.
The lawn, I'm so fond. Oh, look at this. And mopping. Mopping the floor, I adore.
That's it. I can't take much more of this. Sorry, Coach Roco, but I need a BFF who's not obsessed with cleaning.
Oh, well, look how spotless this place is.
Yeah, you keep mopping, Coach Roco. I'm out of here.
Woohoo! Hey, maybe Jimmy was onto something with this whole basketball thing. This is so much fun.
I know. I've never really done basketball on Roblox before, but it is super fun, isn't it?
Hey, you're kind of a natural, though, Ellie. You're great at this.
Thank you, BFF.
You're welcome. Hey, Ellie, want to see something really funny?
Mm-hmm. Show me more.
Okay, ready? Get ready for this? Who could I possibly be? Rudy!
Well. If it isn't my BFF turned against me, how could you do this to me?
Hey, Jimmy.
Hi, Jimmarooney.
I've had just about enough of this. Casey, I propose a challenge. Since we both want to be Ellie's BFF, what do you say we do a race, and the winner gets to be her one and true BFF?
Sounds intriguing. Let's do it. Ready, set, go!
Guys!
Hey, you got a head start. No fair.
So long, Jimmarooney. Ellie's gonna be my BFF after all.
Get back here.
You can't catch me. Gotta be quicker than that.
I'm just warming up.
Guys! There's nobody here to be my BFF now. Oh my gosh. Wait, I have a really good idea. There's been somebody here who's been waiting for a BFF all day. Maybe it'd be nice to ask them if they want to be my BFF. Coach Roco, do you want to be my BFF?
Yeah, it's an honor. Let's clean together.
Oh, well, okay. Hand me a mop.
Mopping the floor, I adore. Here,
Yeah.
just follow me.
Mopping the floor, I adore. You're really fast at cleaning. My goodness.
Thanks, BFF.